Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing well today. If you've been following the latest advancements in technology, you might have heard the term LLM or large language model popping up quite a bit. But what does it really mean? How does it work, and why is it such a big deal? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of LLMs, breaking it down in simple terms. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how your virtual assistant understands your questions or how chatbots seem to have a conversation with you? That's all thanks to LLMs. But what exactly are they? Alright, let's break it down. A large language model, or LLM, is essentially a type of artificial intelligence that's designed to understand and generate human-like text. At its core, an LLM is trained on vast amounts of text data. This training allows it to learn patterns, context, grammar, and even some level of common-sense reasoning. Imagine teaching a child a language. You would read them books, have conversations, and expose them to various forms of communication. Similarly, LLMs are trained on a diverse range of texts, from books and articles to websites and social media posts. This extensive training helps them to predict the next word in a sentence, understand context, and generate coherent responses. Let's delve a little deeper into how this works. One of the most popular LLMs is OpenAI's GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This model has 175 billion parameters. Now, what does that mean? A parameter in this context is like a knob that the model can adjust to learn from the data it processes. The more parameters an LLM has, the more complex and nuanced its understanding of language can be. To put this in perspective, think of parameters like a chef's ingredients. The more ingredients you have, the more flavorful and diverse your dish can become. GPT-3's massive size allows it to generate text that can often be indistinguishable from what a human might write. Just to give you an idea, it can write essays, answer questions, create poetry, and even generate code. But let's not forget that LLMs are not without limitations. One major challenge is that they can sometimes produce content that is biased or factually incorrect. This is because they learn from the data they are trained on, which can contain inaccuracies or reflect societal biases. For example, if an LLM is trained on text that has a biased perspective on a particular topic, it may generate responses that echo those biases. This is a significant area of ongoing research as developers work to make LLMs more fair and reliable. Here's a fun example of what an LLM can do. Imagine you're planning a trip to Paris. You could ask an LLM, what are the best places to visit in Paris? And it might respond with something like, you should definitely check out the Eiffel Tower, visit the Louvre, and take a stroll along the Seine River. It can even provide tips, such as the best times to visit these places or nearby restaurants. Another fascinating application of LLMs is in creative writing. Authors are using these models to brainstorm ideas or even co-write stories. For instance, a writer might input a prompt like, "Once upon a time in a small village," and the LLM could generate several paragraphs that continue the story. This can be a great way to overcome writer's block or explore new narrative directions. In the business world, LLMs are transforming customer service. Companies are implementing chatbots powered by LLMs that can handle inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide recommendations in real time. This not only enhances customer experience but also frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks that require personal attention. It's also worth mentioning that LLMs are being used in education. They can help students learn new languages, assist with homework, or even provide personalized tutoring. The potential is enormous, but it also comes with the responsibility to ensure that these tools are used ethically and effectively. So, how do we interact with these powerful models? Many companies have created user-friendly interfaces that allow anyone to tap into the capabilities of LLMs. For example, platforms like ChatGPT allow users to ask questions, seek advice, or just have a chat, all powered by an advanced LLM. This democratizes access to AI technology, making it available to people who might not be tech-savvy but can benefit from it. To summarize, large language models are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. They're capable of understanding and generating human language in a way that was previously unimaginable. From writing assistants to customer service, their applications are vast and varied. However, as we embrace this technology, it's crucial to be aware of its limitations and the importance of using it responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts on LLMs. What do you think is the most exciting application? Drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.